Get ready to turn your vacation into a tech-powered adventure. Whether you're jetting off to an exotic locale or rediscovering familiar haunts, don't leave your gadgets behind. It's time to bid adieu to chores and work and say hello to relaxation and pure enjoyment. Welcome to the Hackology. Subscribe and let's dive in. Picture this, your dream destination, and a set of tech-savvy sidekicks. Today's innovative gadgets are your ticket to seamless communication, elevated entertainment, and heightened security during your getaway. So, as you compile your packing checklist, consider these 7 essential companions. From enhancing your travel experience to ensuring peace of mind, these gadgets are here to elevate your journey. So pack light, but pack smart. These tech wonders are about to transform your vacation into an unforgettable escapade. 1. Portable charger. Vacations are all about breaking free from routine, but that doesn't mean your devices should run out of juice. When you're caught up in the thrill of exploring new places or embarking on luxury cruises like in the Bahamas, remembering to charge your phone can slip your mind. Imagine being amidst the beauty of nature on an outdoor adventure where electric outlets are a rarity. Here's where a portable charger comes to your rescue. Whether you're on a high-energy cruise or a remote hiking trail, a portable charger keeps your devices powered up, ensuring you don't miss out on capturing breathtaking views or staying connected with loved ones. So, whether you're sailing through azure waters or navigating untamed trails, let a portable charger be your trusty travel companion, ensuring your devices stay energized and your adventures stay unforgettable. 2. Cord organizer. In the age of tech-driven travel, our adventures are accompanied by a web of cords that seem to have a life of their own. The mere thought of deciphering this entangled puzzle is enough to induce a headache. But behold, there's a savior in the form of a cord organizer, a simple yet genius gadget that promises to restore order to this chaotic mess. Picture this, all your cords neatly nestled in one place, free from the clutches of tangles. This lifesaver corrals the unruly cables, granting them a designated slot and a sense of discipline. No more grappling with a knotted jumble or resorting to a cryptic guessing game of which cord goes where. With a cord organizer at your service, bid adieu to the frustration of cable confusion. Whether you're jet-setting or road tripping, this nifty tool ensures that your tech companions remain harmoniously intertwined with your travel escapades. So, pack your bags with the confidence that your cords are tamed and ready to enhance your journey without any electrifying surprises. 3. Waterproof camera or case. For outdoor enthusiasts and water lovers, investing in a waterproof case or camera is a game-changer for your journey. Imagine capturing stunning underwater snapshots of marine life or preserving the thrill of your first snorkeling expedition. Whether you're conquering the waves while surfing or embarking on a daring whitewater rafting adventure, having the ability to document these moments ensures you can relive and share them for years to come. Moreover, this gear isn't just about incredible visuals, it's also about safeguarding your tech. A waterproof case prevents rain and beachside mishaps from turning your phone into a casualty. With this essential accessory, you can stay connected and engaged with your surroundings without any worries. 4. Electronic reader. Finding time to indulge in a good book amid the hustle of work and life can be a challenge. Thankfully, vacations provide the perfect opportunity to dive into novels, but hauling around multiple books isn't ideal. That's where an electronic reading device comes in. With this nifty gadget, you can load up on your reading list, adding and downloading titles as you go. Whether lounging by the pool or basking on the beach, this lightweight device ensures you have a world of stories at your fingertips. So, leave the hefty tomes at home and embrace the convenience of your electronic reading companion for an uninterrupted literary escape. 5. RFID wallet. In the days of old, travelers fretted over pickpockets, but times have changed. Now, the concern isn't just about losing your physical wallet, it's about cyber thieves grabbing your personal data through scans. Modern culprits use technology to snatch credit card numbers without even touching your wallet. Safeguard your information with an RFID wallet, an investment that shields against unwanted interference and provides an added layer of security. Whether you're exploring bustling cities or serene landscapes, carry the peace of mind alongside your essentials. With an RFID wallet in tow, you'll not only stay one step ahead of tech-savvy thieves but also travel with confidence and peace knowing your personal information is well protected. 6. Smartwatch. While a vacation should be a break from the clock-watching routine, that doesn't mean you can't harness the power of timekeeping. Embrace the versatility of a smartwatch, your ultimate travel companion. Let it adorn your wrist, not just as a stylish accessory, but as a trusty step counter and a reminder of when to return to your sanctuary or ensure you're punctual for reservations. Your smartwatch won't dictate your relaxation, it'll enhance it. No need to be a slave to the clock, but let this tech marvel be your ally in seamlessly blending leisure with practicality. So, while you soak up the sun and savor the moments, let your smartwatch be your time-traveling sidekick, effortlessly blending modern functionality with the timeless joy of vacation. 7. Tripod. Gone are the days of lugging around those colossal camera tripods from the 80s and 90s, where video cameras perched atop like a science experiment. But behold, the modern era has blessed us with a transformation in the realm of tech gadgets, the tripod's evolution into a compact wonder. Think smaller, think manageable, think smartphones. On your vacation, don't forget to toss one of these handy tripods into your bag. A quick setup, a secure prop, and voila! You're ready to snap enchanting family portraits or capture sweeping landscapes, with your smartphone comfortably nestled atop. No more relying on a precarious stack of rocks or the kindness of a passerby. So, if you're ready to up your photography game without hauling around ancient monstrosities, grab a tripod, your ticket to effortless, steady, and picturesque memories. In the realm of modern travel, tech is your trusted ally. Embrace the power of innovation with these top 7 gadgets that are more than survival tools, they're your companions for a journey redefined. So, as you embark on your adventure, remember, tech is your ticket to seamless communication and boundless entertainment. Don't even think about leaving these gadgets behind, they're your passport to a world of convenience and delight. Handpick the ones that resonate with your interests and needs, ensuring that your travel arsenal is tailored to perfection. As you pack your bags, rest assured that these ingenious companions will not only assist you but elevate your experience. So, seize the moment, make memories, and let technology be your guiding light as you journey through the extraordinary tapestry of the world.